Hello guys, this is Polina. So this month I got Boxycharm box extremely early, and this is the look I came up with, and I'm so excited of the products that I got. So here is the list of them. Please comment down below if you got the same goodies. And the first product that I will be using will be this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This mask is amazing. After I removed this mask, my skin felt so smooth and so hydrated and nourished. I really cannot say enough good words about this mask. I really like this one. And yeah, got a bit messy with this. So leave it for 10 minutes and remove it. My skin feels so good. Following with Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream, which is my current favorite, which I use every day. Using my Cotz Primer with SPF 40 to protect my skin against sun damage. The second product from the box will be this brush set, and first brush that I'm gonna be using will be this Luxie foundation brush. I gotta say that I really like these Luxie brushes. I got a lot of them in Boxycharm boxes throughout the previous months, and I'm using them on myself and on my clients as well. Foundation, contouring, and brows are on. To make my brows stay in place all day, I'm using this 24-hour brow gel by Benefit Cosmetics. Next two products will be this palette by Butter London and this eyeliner by Appeal Cosmetics. I'm starting to create the shape of the future smoky eye with the Appeal Cosmetics gel liner, and I want to say that this liner is so smooth and it blends so well. I didn't have any problems with it. Then setting the gel liner with this teal eyeshadow from the palette. I decided to intensify the outer corner with this brown shade, though in the beginning I wanted the look to be more soft, but couldn't help myself. Then Taking another Luxie brush, I apply this green eyeshadow onto my inner corner. Doing the same on my lower eyelid. And I would apply this rosy color onto the center of my lid. I've never used Butter London makeup, and this palette is the first for me, and I'm pretty impressed with the eyeshadows and how they blend and how smooth they feel. So thumbs up. Of course, choosing the lightest shade from the palette for highlighter. Taking the last brush from the Luxie set, I blend everything out. Applying a Peel Cosmetics gel liner into my waterline. Taking Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced that I got in one of the recent Boxycharm boxes. Applying lashes. These ones are by True Glue Beauty. I have a promo code for these lashes. I will list it down below if you're interested. And this is the finished eye look. To finish the face, I'm taking Buxom Cosmetics Wunderlust blush in Dolly and apply it onto my cheekbones. As usually, I will be listing all of the products that I used in the video down below with the links for your convenience. The bronzer is also from one of the Boxycharm boxes. It's by Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics in Bronzed Mannequin. The highlighter is my all-time favorite, and you can tell by the pen. This one is by Thebalm and it's in Mary Lou. With lips, I wanted to go a little bit more creative, so I decided to do the ombre lips. So I'm taking the same Appeal Cosmetics gel eyeliner and outline my lips. Then I will take the brush and blend a little bit the lines. And the last product from the box, but not least, will be this Alamar lip gloss. And I will be applying it into the center of my lips with the brush because I didn't want to ruin the vent from the lip gloss by touching the green eyeliner. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you did not. See you all guys soon. Bye bye.